Hi everyone, my name is Ruchin and I welcome you to your PDI education. So as you all know कि हम आपके लिए फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ को एक्सप्लोर करते रहते हैं. ओके किस में क्या पोजीशंस निकली है वी ऑल हम लोग उससे बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्कशन करते हैं एंड वी आर क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस अमंग स्टूडेंट्स कि अगर आपने सिविल इंजीनियरिंग करी है और अगर आपने मास्टर्स किया है इन एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग, ओके सो देर आर मैनी प्लेंटी ऑफ PhD अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आउट देयर वेटिंग फॉर यू. बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि हमें पता नहीं होता है. सो आई हैव कम अक्रॉस वन सच अपॉर्चुनिटी जो कि PhD के लिए है अगर आपने एनवायरमेंटल साइंसेस से अगर आपका मास्टर्स किया है तो. So the name of the university is Stuttgart University in Germany. Okay, but you need to have a complete idea of what can be the topics. Dissertation title क्या हो सकता है, okay, और इसके अंदर कितनी सीट्स हैं और आप कब अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, what is the deadline and all. Let's talk about this. So this is an international doctoral program in environmental water, okay, in University of Stuttgart. So roughly there will be 50 candidates, okay, it is displaying over here, roughly 50 doctoral candidates will be able to apply, and it is facilitated by civil engineering and environmental engineering. So if you have any topic related to environmental engineering, be it water, wastewater, heavy metal concentration, any kind of other topic that you have, you can feel free to apply over here, okay. And here is one more thing depend that the course content is very broad and the specific subject of the dissertation depends on the institute. Okay, here it is written that for research subjects, if you want to have any kind of idea, you can just click on this link and you can go and research out in detail like what can be the topics which they are looking for. Okay, or if you want, you can just comment in the comment section. You type in the comment section, we'll do a research on this also. Next, talking about technical language, always it is going to be in English. We bring out that sessions only जिसमें आपको English की ज़्यादा requirement रहे, okay, so that it becomes a bit easy. It's not going to be German, but yes, definitely you will have to qualify some English proficiency level test also. Tuition fee per semester is none, and the best part is it will be finished in 6 semester, okay. Foreign का foreign का PhD है, India के बाहर से PhD करते हैं तो approximately it will be finished in only 6 semester or a matter of 3 years, okay. Now the beginning is at any time, किसी भी time पे आप begin कर सकते हैं, okay, you can begin at any time. There is no application deadline, you can apply at any point of time. That's the best part in this. आप जब चाहे, whenever you feel like okay I'm comfortable in this, okay, I would like to explore this place and explore the career opportunities out there, so you can apply at any time. Next, one more important point is there is no funding opportunity within the university. Okay, there is no funding opportunity, so you'll have to take care of yourself, and also there is no fees also. Now coming to this, what are the academic admission requirements? First of all, you need to have a diploma or something equivalent in the fields of environment and water. Okay, environment or water से related है, water, wastewater, anything related to that will be of very much use. Apart from that, you need to be आपको थीसिस के लिए आपको सुपरवाइजर से भी परमिशन लेनी होगी, दैट इज ऑल्सो रिटन, प्लस 2 letters और रेफरेंस बाय द प्रोफेसर्स हु नो द कैंडिडेट वेल इनफ टू जज हर और हिज एबिलिटी. ओके, सो यू ऑल्सो नीड लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन. ओके, LOR जो कि इफ योर वर्क इज गुड इन मास्टर्स, सो मोस्टली योर प्रोफेसर्स विल गिव यू द लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन एंड इट एक्ट्स एज एन एक्स्ट्रा एज. इसके बाद में येस देर आर अ फ्यू रिक्वायरमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो. First, knowledge of English language in the form of TOEFL or IELTS. Okay, you will have to qualify these 2 exams. Since it is in Germany, so you will have to qualify IELTS and TOEFL. Else, अगर आपका US होता है तो you need to qualify GRE. Okay. Now application deadline is none. There is no application deadline. Application submitted to, this is the link where you will have to submit. Now these are the labs and some other descriptive photos. So I guess if you want any kind of more further information on this, like what are the topics, what if I have this topic then can I apply, and all relevant topics, please mention this in the comment section below. We'll get back to you and we'll try to solve your queries. Alright, so thank you everyone and keep watching your PDI for more such opportunities. Take care and stay safe.